They're a little bit burnt, but I'm sure they'll taste fine just the same. Oh my god, really hot. They're actually really good though. Hey everyone, what's going on? So today I'm not going to do my usual video, it's just going to be a really casual me baking cookies and giving you a bit of an update on what's going on in my life. So before I tell you about what's been going on with me and what's been going on in my life, let's just get straight in and bake them cookies. While they're baking, let me just tell you a little bit about what's been going on with me. So the first thing that's been going on, and I'm sure you can notice, is that while I'm in isolation, I decided not to shave, and I'm growing a beard. I've never grown a beard before, but I think it's coming along okay. I mean, I trimmed up the sides and these little bits here, and so far it's okay. It is looking a little bit patchy, but that's fine. I think I might get like, one of them eyebrow pencils and maybe fill it in when it gets a little bit longer. But at the moment, it's fine. Usually I don't like growing a beard though, because after it gets to a certain length, it gets really itchy and uncomfortable. I'm not at that stage yet. I've grown it for longer in the past. And I'm probably about a week into the growth. So we'll see. Maybe I'll keep it, maybe I won't. We'll just see what goes on. Now, obviously, I am in isolation. This is currently week 3 of isolation. So, it's going okay. I'm not sure who knows this and who doesn't, but I recently started a new job. I decided to leave my old job because it wasn't kind of fulfilling me creatively. So I got myself a new job, and the new job started a week before the government decided to shut down London and put everyone into isolation. However, everyone there has been really supportive and really nice. It's another handbag company, so I'm designing men's and women's handbags and accessories and small leather goods and things like that, so it's all going really good. Oh, the cookies smell amazing. They're huge. And they're like this kind of shape. I don't know if I've done it properly, but the recipe said just to dollop it on, so that's what I've kind of done. But anyway, yeah, I started the job, and then within a week, the government said to go into isolation, so that's what I've done. And now we're all kind of just working from home, which is really challenging because I actually don't like working from home. I feel like I'm far more productive in the office, but so far, so good. We're designing the new range for spring summer 21 and autumn winter 21, so we're really ahead of ourselves. And because we're designing that far in advance, the workload for us hasn't decreased. So as I say, it's really, really busy, and yeah, it's going really well so far. I'm really enjoying my time there. The whole team's been really supportive. My manager seems really nice and great, and they've been really good at communicating the whole situation, what's going on at the company, and also what they want us to do. So, you know, I think it's a good move for me so far. I've been doing loads of YouTube videos and trying to figure out how to make my content better. I'm actually really enjoying the editing process and everything. I've also sanded down my coffee table because I put a hot saucepan on it with a towel underneath, but the saucepan was so hot that it burnt all the paint off my coffee table, and now, and it just ruined it really. So I've sanded that all down, and I'm going to paint it another day. And I've also decided to grow some plants. Now, if you've seen my other video about buying fake plants from IKEA, you know that I'm not that green thumbed. I did try and grow plants and vegetables a year ago. I did get a small amount of veggies out of it, but nothing like I would have imagined. So I'm giving it a go again. It's just growing so far in my kitchen window, and then I'm going to move it out to the back garden later on. I've also started reading a new book. It's called Tales of the City. I've only literally just started it. So far it's set in San Francisco and it's about a secretary that moves there, and it's got a lot of different gay relationships in it, and it's, I don't know, it's really interesting so far, so we'll see how that goes. Me and my friends have actually started a book group that we're going to do virtually, and we're going to choose a new book every month and we're just going to read it, and it's all going to be LGBTQ+, which I think is really good because A, we're supporting the community, B, we're socialising and we're keeping in contact, and C, it's just a good way to pass the time as well. So yeah, I'm really excited to carry on reading that book and seeing where it goes, but so far I'm really enjoying it. Perfect timing. Okay, so I'm gonna get them out now. Alexa, stop. So I've just got them out and I think I've overbaked them slightly. They're a little bit burnt, but I'm sure they'll taste fine just the same. And I've kind of also got a spatula and flattened them a little bit because they've literally, the way I've done them before is, you know, you just dollop it on and them kind of balls that they were kind of flatten out and then they look more like cookies, but these kind of stayed really like mountainy. So I don't know what happened there. Maybe it wasn't liquidy enough. I'm not sure. I'm not a professional baker, even though I'm trying, not succeeding, but you know, wherever. I think my housemates will enjoy them. I might actually give one a try now while they are warm. Maybe I'll go out and get some ice cream. They're actually really nice. They are a little bit burnt, but I don't think it matters. Oh my god. Really hot. I mean, they're not burnt, but they have got kind of a charred taste, but maybe I'll just say, oh, they're meant to be like that. They're charred chocolate brownies. What, you've never heard of charcoal chocolate brownies? Oh my god, they're really good for you. They're actually really good though. They're really soft on the inside, gooey, moist. Delicious. Okay everyone, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Follow me on social media. My Instagram is Anthony James London, there's no H in that Anthony, and my Twitter is So-Called Fashion. If you want to support this channel, please go to my Etsy shop where you can download CADs and vector-based images that you can use in your everyday design life. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, tra. Bye.